So here we have a 17 by 8 full custom wood door. This comes in a paint grade, so it comes primed. It comes in 4 sections with windows on top, clear, using clear glass. Also an option where you can get side seal. This customer here wanted a clean side finish here and was able not to use the side seal. So it makes it look a lot more modern, a lot more cleaner finish. This is the interior of the wood door using heavy duty hinges and heavy duty struts. Here we have a Genie 4124 model, which is our heavy duty model for the heavy wood doors and glass doors that we do. This has been a great model. It's a belt drive, really quiet, has a battery backup, sensors, push button, and 2 remotes.